Hi, I'm Saidur Rahman. Um, Welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Today I'm going to show you one of my unique project, Chatter.AI. It is a web application that allows you to chat with websites and extract information from them, like web scraping. And it uses that OpenAI API and LangChain library to process and understand the content of the website. So it is built with LangChain mainly. The prerequisites are here. You can find the Anaconda or Miniconda on the website. You have to download and install them. Then you have to import Streamlit and Python 3.10. And you also need to provide your API key at the environment file, which I will be deleting from my end after this video ends. And the installation process is here. Just follow it step by step, and I hope there will be no problem. If you find any problem, please let me know in the comment section. The technology I used are Streamlit and LangChain, OpenAI, ChromaDB. It's a open source database system, and Python. Okay, let's just start then. This is our code. I already installed the environment and every other dependencies, so I don't need to do it again. But you'll first must set up the environment first, and then you have to install the dependencies. After that, just follow the steps. So go to the GitHub file and download it. I already downloaded it. Then just open it in the VS Code interface. After that, you need to run the command line here, conda activate and Chatter.AI, as it's my environment name. So this will activate the our Chatter.AI app behind the command line. Then run streamlit run source as our folder is in the source file. Inside the source file, our main app is here. So source slash app.py. So you have to then run it. Then it will create our app here. Yeah, it's online. Okay, so this is our front end side. You can see it has two sections, sidebar and the main panel, mainstream, where the conversation will be carried on. The sidebar is for setting and where user needs to configure the input output configuration first. Before putting the website URL, the instruction is followed. The instruction is given here. So at first we need to configure our output format. Here we can see our output format is in question answer or JSON. I had to submit a project to a machine learning engineering company, so I have to make a interface where I will scrap the website data and feed it to the LLM, and the output should be only in JSON format by the given schemas. There will be schemas that a user can give from the interface. So let's just do that first. So we select our output format should be JSON, and the model it should be I have created three models, 3.5 turbo and 163 1106. The most advanced model is right now is 0125 though. Then this is the temperature, like how my data is going to be varied. So I think 0.7 would be better. Okay, you can just change it to your any preferred point. Okay, let's now as we have done it, then you see the follow the instructions here. So first, please select all required IO configuration. Yeah, we have selected them. Then enter a valid website URL will do. Then after filling the website URL, press enter to continue. Connect with Chatter.AI and wait until Chatter.AI is available. It needs some time, so you have to wait. Okay, let's do it now. Let's go to a website again. How about toy products? Maybe there we can see here. Okay, maybe not toy, maybe CC camera price in Bangladesh, as I am living in Bangladesh, so that's why. Okay, let's see, start take Bangladesh. Yeah, okay, we can use this page. You can see we have different kinds of CCTV and their names, descriptions, the price, and you can, there may be around 20. There are 20 products on every page. Okay, so we just use it for now. Just you have to just copy the site address and then move to Chatter.AI, and here just paste the URL. After that, you can see here, press enter to apply. So only when you are ready, after you configured the input output configuration, then just press the enter. Okay, then just copy paste the website URL here and press enter to apply. Okay, let's see. Okay, our session status, we are connected to server. Okay, that's a green light. Green light means we are connected to server. If it fails, then it will show you an error with the red background here. So here just you have to maintain the schemas very properly. Here you can see the enter schemas in your prompt in the following format: schemas, product title, product price, etc. Here the thing is, schemas are the thing that you want to extract from the website. Here we want to extract the product title and the product price, suppose, for now. So what I am gonna do is, here I will say schemas colon, then product title, comma, product price. Then you have to must include a full stop, otherwise it will the LLM could give you weird outputs, and being a completion chatbot, sometimes it happens. You can read it in my research paper on my website. We are working on the LLM project, and the weird things happen, so we monitor them. Okay, so after that, just press enter and wait. Now what it's doing is, it's first of all, it's scraping the website data, and voila, it shows the output. Okay, sometimes it shows one, sometimes it shows full. It's because of how much data it is loaded. Okay, so we can do it again. Okay, so schemas again, product title, comma, product price, full stop. Now let's do it again and wait for a while. It will come. See, yeah. So here we see our products, and inside the products, it's in 0-1 format for every product. So Dahua, here you can see the title, the price. So okay, so it's about 9 products. Okay, there is a limitation because of the scraping, as our scraping it sometimes takes weird things from the website. So you can configure them. You can take it all 20, or you can take it in a batch, or first 20 then last 20. Okay, so that's how you can extract data, JSON data from the website document and show it in your console. Most of all, your main work, the scraping laboring is very much reduced. You can scrape almost everything, not just like this product, or you can any JSON structure like social media or anything in the internet. You can just scrap it. Okay, let's move to our next portion, and we have to reset the session after we use it. We don't just change JSON to QA, just you have to reset the session. Okay, and this will reset everything from back to square one. Okay, then we select the question answering system. Okay, question answering system. This is just like a conversational AI. It's not about a specific JSON upload format. Then I use this model, and temperature should be 0.63 this time. Okay, now let's go to a new page, maybe Wikipedia, Russia-Ukraine war. Let's see. Okay, so most of the information is here. We can see it's before 2024, so OpenAI can know this already, so we don't want to happen that. Let's just, how about Devin AI? Have you heard the name Devin AI? It's a AI software engineer recently launched by Cognition Labs. Okay, you can see that Devin AI came to existence recently, as it's a recent thing. It shouldn't be, ChatGPT shouldn't know about it. Let's just okay, let's just check. ChatGPT knows it first. Who is Devin AI? Let's see if it knows. See, it doesn't know anything about Devin AI. Okay, it's GPT 3.5. So I'm just showing it to you because our ChatGPT model doesn't know about the information after January 2022. Okay, so it means that it doesn't know about Devin AI. Now we are going to scrap this website and ask our model to answer a question based on this. Okay, so just copy paste the link and paste it here, then press enter. Okay, just wait for the reply. Voila, it's connected. Okay, now what do you have to do? Let's ask a question. Who is Devin AI? Devin AI. Let's see what it does. Oh wow, look, Devin AI is an autonomous artificial intelligence assistant tool created by Conversational Labs. It is known for its software development abilities to like plan implementation, source code generation, benchmark unit testing. Tool has received praise, concerns, skepticism regarding the future of artificial intelligence software development. CEO Scott Wu, CTO Stephen Howe, several company, blah blah. Okay, so what you see here that our model didn't know about Devin AI. You see, ChatGPT doesn't know about Devin AI because it was launched in 2024. But the thing is, look at the first line. Devin AI is an autonomous artificial intelligence assistant tool created by Conversational Labs. Okay, so you can see that the same thing in the first line. So it scraps the data from the website and extract the information based on your given input. So you can just do it every time you want. So it's very less costly. Only $0.01, means 1 cent per query, as every time you can chat for it. Okay, let's see. I can continue the conversation and see abilities. Okay, just let's ask, what are the abilities of Devin AI? Okay, let's just see what it does. See, the abilities: Devin AI can perform software engineering tasks autonomously, including coding, debugging, planning, problem solving using machine learning. So these are the abilities of what it does. So what you see now is the chatting with website scraper and AI combined thing. So hope you like it, and please subscribe for more. And inspire me to build these things for you. And I might provide a video in future I will teach you how to build this thing from scratch, so you can build your own Chatter.AI or anything that will chat with websites. This is a good scraper. Many freelancers right now have many tasks. Many clients do assign the task of scrapping from website. It's a long, lengthy process, so you can just do it by this only, and it'll reduce you only 1 cent for each query. But though it does what it does. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.